Tuscany in central Italy is a land where history, geography, and culture blend into one timeless landscape. Settled first by the Etruscans, Tuscany later became a powerful Roman region before rising as the heart of the Italian Renaissance. Cities like Florence, Pisa, and Siena shaped European art, science, and politics, producing icons such as Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Dante Alighieri. Florence, the region's capital, was once ruled by the Medici family, whose influence transformed Tuscany into a cultural powerhouse. Geographically, Tuscany is defined by rolling hills, fertile valleys, and dramatic coastlines along the Tyrrhenian Sea. The Apennine Mountains form its eastern spine, while vineyards, olive groves, and medieval towns dominate the countryside. Tuscany's climate is largely Mediterranean, with hot, dry summers and mild, wetter winters, ideal for agriculture and wine production. Inland areas experience cooler temperatures, while coastal zones enjoy sea breezes and warmer winters. Beyond Florence, Tuscany's cities each carry unique identities. Pisa with its iconic Leaning Tower, Siena with its Paleo horse race, Lucca with its intact Renaissance walls, and Arezzo with deep Etruscan roots. Together, Tuscany stands as a living museum, where natural beauty and human creativity continue to shape everyday life. Tuscany, in central Italy, is a living mosaic of people, landscapes, and traditions shaped over centuries. Its population blends historic pride with modern creativity, from artisans in Florence to farmers in Chianti. Agriculture remains the region's backbone, with rolling vineyards, olive groves, and wheat fields defining the countryside. Tuscany produces some of the world's most celebrated wines, including Chianti, Brunello di Montalcino, and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano, alongside golden olive oil and rustic cheeses. Tourism thrives as visitors are drawn to medieval towns, Renaissance cities, and timeless villages. Florence dazzles with art and architecture, Pisa with its iconic Leaning Tower, Siena with its historic Palio horse race, and San Gimignano with its stone towers. Hospitality is deeply rooted in Tuscan culture, where agriturismos, family-run inns, and countryside villas welcome guests with warmth and simplicity. Tuscan cuisine reflects the land itself. Hearty soups, handmade pasta, grilled meats, fresh bread, and seasonal vegetables paired with local wines. From sunlit hills to cobbled streets, Tuscany offers an experience where heritage, flavor, and human connection come together in perfect balance.